Island Wi-Fi Part 2? Sweet! Yes! No more smoke signals! Still no signal here. All right, team. We made it!
This island is amazing!
Prove your worth. ComSoft Solutions is officially on the clock. Now where is the client?
About time, Garth. Meet my grandson, Claude. He's been waiting all morning for his magic boxes to work.
Tip 1, Claude. No coconut oil on the screen. Use a soft cloth like this to keep the sensors clear. And keep the sand out of these vents. If the laptop can't breathe, it gets a fever. We call that overheating. Keep it cool and keep it clean, and you're good to go.
ComSoft is magic!
Next time, I will invite you to our offices.
Thank you, Garth and ComSoft Solutions!
Real solutions, real results.